Good morning everyone. I am Suriti Samnis of grade 6 and today I am here to present our assembly. So kindly stand up for the school prayer followed by the school anthem. O God, guide me, protect me, light the lamp of my heart. Make me a brilliant star. Thou art mighty and powerful.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकार्यः सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Let the rosebuds of happiness blossom out tomorrow, spreading a aroma around the seven seas and beyond the on-boundaries. Let us pay our respect to our parents, teachers, elders, and the earth that bear us.
Let us all dedicate ourselves for a better world, respecting all the lives that share the earth with us.
Let's spread the light of love in every sphere of life with no harm to anything or anyone.
Let us pray for perfection, for global well-being, leading to the world where truth reigns supreme. To be a lifter and not to be a leaner, to make our life a success and to bring glory to SIIS, 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 SIIS.
Good morning everyone, and our theme for today is prevention is better than cure. Let me make you aware about what this theme actually means. It's easier to stop something from happening than to repair the damage after it has happened. Prevention is the act of stopping or avoiding it altogether. So, the proverbial saying, prevention is better than cure, means that it is more sensible to stop a bad thing or illness from happening in the first place than to have to deal with awful problems, pain, side effects of medicine and stress later. Prevention and cure both are different and their meanings are also different. Now, I request my friend Anvi to throw more light on the theme.
Thank you, Sharanya. However, prevention is considered better than cure because it saves harm from curing through medicines. Prevention is a safe way to remain away from any problem. We just need to maintain a healthy lifestyle through our life. Whereas our carelessness leads us towards cure using medicines of other treatments. Cure leaves a dirty black spot in our life. Cure cannot cure us completely, whereas prevention keeps us away from danger and maintains normal health. I hope that all are very much familiar with the theme now. Now I request my friend Yashasvi to share the thought for the day. Thank you.
Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna say you thought of the day. And once of prevention is worth a pound of cure by Ben Franklin. I repeat, and once of prevention is worth a pound of cure by Ben Franklin. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.
Hello everyone, I am Miss Asmi John from grade 6. Today I am going to present some amazing facts related to COVID-19. So let's begin. Amazing fact number 1. What is coronavirus? The coronavirus are a large family of virus and belongs to nidovirus family or the nidovirus order. Amazing fact number 2. From where did the word coronavirus come? The word coronavirus comes from the Latin word corona means the crown. The corona resembles a crown due to their crown-like projection on the surfaces. The coronavirus got their name. So, now my friend Ishita will come and tell you some more amazing facts related to COVID-19.
Fact number 3. The first cause of novel coronavirus was identified in Hubei province and China Wuhan. Fact number 4. India is the only country to use all the vaccines including Covishield, Covaxin and Sputnik to protect from COVID-19. Fact number 5. In India on 1 March 2021, the second phase of vaccination started in India that allows all Indians above the age of 60 and Indians between the age of 45 and 59 to get vaccinated.
Always wear a mask. Take a bath after you come home. Don't touch surfaces in public places. Take steam for good breathing. Drink turmeric milk regularly. Take your COVID-19 vaccine. Don't touch your eyes, mouth when you're out. And if you have fever, headache, or breathing problems, take doctor's advice.
And cover your nose and mouth with a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Keep a sensible distance between you and your mobile and use hand sanitizer. Maintain a safe distance from people.
Prevention is better than cure. Cure!
Wear mask on the face and home be safe.
Clean hands, good food. Good hygiene make the food taste good.
Don't touch your eyes, don't touch your nose. This will help COVID-19 to go.
Prevention is better than cure. Cure! United we stand, divided we fall. United we stand, divided we fall. We will win the war of COVID-19. Booyah! 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 He knows, she knows, and we all know that prevention is better than cure. Cure! Thank you!
Hi Anvi, how are you? What are you doing? Let's meet today.
Hi Ami, I'm fine. I'm free today evening. So let's catch up. Hi.
Do you want to hear a story?
Like you both, we were also doing the same. Like no mask, no distance, and no use of sanitizer.
But we landed up getting symptoms of cold, cough, fever, and breathlessness. And finally, we tested positive.
It was by the doctor's good treatment and the care our parents took that we are out of it.
We are very much thankful to doctors and our parents who are like God for us.
Please follow some COVID guidelines like
Wearing a mask,
frequently using hand sanitizer
And maintain social distance.
stay home, stay safe.
it is right to say that.
Health is wealth.
Janet to Janet.
Thank
you.
Now I request our principal sir to speak a few lines about our assembly.
Good morning, grade 6 students, teachers, and the parents of grade 6 and other grade parents who are going to watch this assembly. And today's theme is prevention is better than cure. The students have taken a lot of information, shared information with all of us, which are very useful during this pandemic to prevent COVID and to be careful about not getting coronavirus. So the information is not only in the form of readings, but also in the form of an skit they have performed well. And I'm impressed. Good assembly. Keep it up. And day by day, I develop a lot of confidence as far as Seven Isles kids are concerned. And I'm sure the kids will bloom wherever they are planted. And I'm sure the parents might have also taken a lot of efforts in preparation and in preparing them for the assembly, in shooting videos. And I appreciate the effort of the total team of teachers, students, and dear parents. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational words.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा
तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तब जय गाता
जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता
जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की जय.